Good morning, everybody. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today I woke up to an order. So the order was one of these jewelry kits for our virtual Blythe Retreat 2025. The theme is Spread Kindness, and we do have goodie bags available along with separate purchase of a pass in my sister's Kawaii Doll Shop Etsy shop. But sometimes people want extra jewelry kits, and so I have them in my Tappingflamingobling Etsy shop. So this particular kit will allow you to make a stitch marker, a pair of earrings, a bracelet for the doll, and a little zipper pole that you can attach to a little pole, eye-pole cord. And that's what was ordered. So now I'm going to show you how I'm going to package it up. The first thing I need to do is pick out something happy. Since our theme is Spread Kindness, I want something that is on the happy side. And this is how I'm going to package up the little kit. And I also have to keep in mind, I do like to send little handwritten thank you notes. So I want something that's going to match. I could do that, but I think that's too matchy-matchy. Let's see, something like that would go. Something like that would go too. So this is what I've got picked out, and I want to add a little charm to her package. And that way, if she wants to make a little something for her doll, she can, or she could hang it on a chain and wear it as a necklace for herself, or like I said, for her doll, or whatever. Bye-bye.